Shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, miss? Annabella, shake that thing, yeah. Donna, Jody and Rebecca, woman, get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get crunked up, percolate anything you want. Because it's oscillating if I don't take pity. Want to see you get life on the rhythm of my ride. And my lyrics up about electricity. Girl, nobody can do you nothing because you don't know your destiny. Yo, sexy ladies want war with us. You know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next with us, them can't vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Girl, don't sweat it, don't get agitated. Girl, go and rotate, cause anything you want, you know you must get it. Coming in my mention, no easy tension. Girl, run the program, just one with it. Yo, have a good time, girl, free up on the mind. Cause nobody can this, your man won't let it. Cause you are the number one, girl, wave your hand, let them see the wedding band. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us. You know they car with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next to us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Come on, get busy, just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get crunked up, percolate anything you want. Because it's oscillating if I don't take pity. Want to see you get live when the rhythm is a ride. And my lyrics up about electricity. Girl, nobody can tell you nothing cause you don't know your destiny. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us. You know they car with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next to us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Yo, shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing? Yo, Annabella, shake that thing, miss. Donna, yo, Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo, shake that thing, yo. Joanna, shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing, miss. Can I, yo, hey, yo, come because I did. Sexy ladies want war with us. You know they car with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next to us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us. You know they car with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next with us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name, yo, it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. It's all good, just turn me on. Let's get it on till I earn them on. It's all good.
Let's learn Get Crunked. It's choreographed by Brett Ruwe and Becky Pisarek. Is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Get Crunked. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as you do that, you're going to slightly squat down, bending your knees, and then touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, and as you do that, you're going to slightly bend your knees, doing a squat, and touch your right next to your left. You want this to kind of be like a bouncing motion, so you want to kind of add some flow into it. Step, touch, doing that bend and rise as you do it. From here, we're going to press our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Step your right next to your left. You're going to press your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Step your left next to your right. Now in their video, they have their knees come out in as they do it. So when you press, your knees will come out, and as you're bringing it, it's going to come in, and as you step, it will go out, in. And then you'll do that same thing with the left, so it'll be out, in, out, in. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your step to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. We're going to walk back, and as you do that, you're going to shimmy your shoulders. So we're going to walk back, right, left, right, and then you're going to step your left foot slightly out to the side, but next to your right. From here, we're going to do 2 8 hip rolls. So we're going to step our right foot forward slightly into the diagonal. You're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right. You're now at the corner, and we're going to do that again. Step your right foot forward slightly into that diagonal. Roll your hips from left to right, putting your weight onto your left foot, and you'll end facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We're doing our walk back with our shimmy. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do samba steps. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, pushing a hip up, and recover onto your right. You're now going to cross your left over your right. You're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, pushing that hip up, and recover onto your left. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then do 2 walks forward, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hip rolls. You're going to do your samba steps. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right forward mambo step. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto our right, and step forward with your left foot. We're going to place our right heel forward. You're going to step your right next to your left and touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot next to your right, place your right heel forward, step your right next to your left, and then you're going to cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your mambo. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And you want these heels to be mainly like in your spot, not traveling much forward and back. You kind of want it to stay in the spot that you are at. And then after you cross, you'll start over again with those side touches. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step to the right. So it's step and squat, step, squat, touch, step, squat, touch, press, step together, press, step together, walk back, shimmy, 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 step out. Now a hip roll, samba step, step, half pivot, walk, walk, right mambo, left mambo, heel step, touch step, heel step, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, technically the dance ends facing the side. All I did was make my second hip roll that would go to the side just turn to the front so that I could end facing 12 o'clock. There is no ending listed on the step sheet, so you can end here and face the front and be sassy if you would like. You can turn to the front. You can kind of end how you would like, or you can just stay here and end it with the music. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're stepping to the right, so it's side, touch, press, step together, walk back, shimmy, 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 step. Now it's your 8 hip roll, samba step, step, half pivot, walk, walk forward, mambo, back mambo, heel step, touch step, heel step, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Side touch, press, step together, press, step together. Walk back, shimmy, 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 together. 8 hip roll, 8 hip roll. Samba step, step, half pivot, walk, walk forward. Mambo, back mambo. Heel step, touch step, heel step, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rare demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Get Crunked. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that thing, miss. Annabella, shake that thing, yeah. Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Woman, get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get drunk up, percolate anything you want. Because it's oscillating if I don't take pity. I want to see you get life on the rhythm of my ride. And my lyrics up about electricity. Girl, nobody can do you nothing because you don't know your destiny. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us. You know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next with us, them they are vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's a good girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Girl, don't sweat it, don't get agitated. Girl, go about it, cause anything you want, you know you must get it. Coming in my mention, don't ease the tension. Girl, run the program, just go and fit it. Yo, have a good time, girl, free up on the wine. Cause nobody can diss your man, won't let it. Cause you are the number one, girl, wave your hand, let them see the wedding band. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us. You know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next to us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Come on, get busy, just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get crunked up, percolate anything you want. Forgot it, oscillating if I don't take pity. Want to see you get live when the rhythm is a ride. And my lyrics up about electricity. Girl, nobody can tell you nothing cause you don't know your destiny. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us. You know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next to us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Yo, shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing, miss. Donna, yo, Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo, shake that thing, yo. Joanna, shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing, miss. Kinda, yo, hey, yo, come and go